Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of avocados. You got that right, that green soldier of a fruit, packed with more good fats than a donkey's. Well, you get the picture. Whether you're a fan of guacamole, avocado toast, or just scooping it straight from the skin, you need to know how to treat it right. Some of you, I swear, are treating this culinary gift worse than a burnt pan of scallops. You're smashing it, storing it wrong, and for God's sake, some of you are eating it raw. Today, we're fixing that. We're going through 6 avocado abominations that would make even the most amateur cook weep. Get your notepads ready because by the end of this, you'll be dodging these culinary crimes and treating your avocado with the respect it deserves. Right, mistake number 1, and it's a big one. Storing your avocados in the bloody fridge. What are you, a bunch of donkeys? Avocados are like delicate little snowflakes. They need to ripen at room temperature. Sticking them in the fridge just halts the ripening process, leaving you with a rock-hard disappointment. You want that creamy, buttery texture, don't you? Then keep it out of the fridge until it's ripe and ready to go. And how do you know it's ripe? Give it a gentle squeeze. If it yields slightly, you're good to go. If it feels like a brick, leave it out for another day or two. Next up, the massacre of the avocado. Some of you attack this fruit like you're chopping firewood. First, use a sharp knife. None of those butter knives. You hear me? Slice it lengthwise, rotating around the pit. Now gently twist the two halves apart. See that pit? Don't just hack at it like a wild animal. Wedge the knife into the pit, give it a twist, and it should pop right out. And for God's sake, stop squeezing the avocado like it owes you money. Use a spoon to scoop out the flesh or slice it directly in the skin, keeping your fingers out of the way. Treat it with respect. This one is just unforgivable. Eating an unripe avocado is like serving a raw chicken. It's just wrong. If it's hard, green, and tastes like disappointment, it's not ripe. Remember what I said earlier, gentle squeeze, slight give, then it's ready. If not, leave it be. No one wants to bite into a rock-hard, flavorless avocado. It's an insult to the fruit, and frankly, it's an insult to me. Wait until it's ripe, then you can enjoy its creamy, delicious glory. Chapter 4, The Seed. Don't you dare throw it out. Now, this is where some of you really lose the plot. The avocado seed isn't garbage, you hear me? It's packed with nutrients and antioxidants that most of you are tossing straight in the bin. You can grate it into smoothies, roast it for a nutty flavor, or even grind it into a powder. It's like throwing away the best part of a steak. It's criminal. Do some research, get creative, and use the whole damn fruit. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 5. Lemon, lime, it's preservation time. Listen, I get it. You slice your avocado, turn your back for 2 minutes, and it's already turning brown. That's oxidation, you see, and it's a natural process. But don't you dare go throwing it out. A squeeze of lemon or lime juice is all you need to slow down that browning process. It's like magic, but without the smoke and mirrors. Just a simple squeeze, and your avocado will stay vibrant and green for longer. It's not rocket science, people, it's basic kitchen sense. Chapter 6. Pace yourself, you greedy gluttons. Yes, avocados are delicious, and yes, they're good for you. But that doesn't mean you can eat a whole bloody tree in one sitting. Moderation, people, it's the key to life. Too much of anything can be bad for you, even avocados. They're high in calories and fat, albeit the good kind of fat. But overdoing it will send you running for the treadmill instead of enjoying the deliciousness. So pace yourselves, savor the flavor, and don't go overboard. Your stomach and your waistline will thank you for it. Outro, now go forth and conquer the avocado. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. And for God's sake, share this with your friends who are committing these avocado atrocities. Remember, the avocado is a gift, a culinary masterpiece just waiting to be enjoyed. Treat it with respect, use your common sense, and you'll be reaping the delicious rewards in no time. Now, go forth and conquer the avocado, you brilliant bunch of cooks. See you next time.